Oh, dude! Oh, that was sick. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Be the Fish. Cool video for you guys today, and I apologize for not doing an intro in this video. This is actually a trip that we are celebrating my buddy Forrest getting married here. So he's actually, when this video is dropping next weekend, he's getting married. So we decided to celebrate by going fishing, doing a little river float, which is what today's video is all about. And yes, I'm doing my intro in it, which is, I didn't do an intro, outro, or talk much to the camera in this video, which is why it is now 4:30 in the morning and I'm editing these videos, because that's what I gotta do to get videos out for you guys. But either way, it was a lot of fun. River float, something completely different than what I'm usually showing you guys. You guys have seen Forrest and I do some river floats in the past, but this one was pretty cool. Summertime, throwing topwater and stuff for river smallmouth. Guys were catching a walleye. So a few of our buddies going and having a good time floating the river. Again, I apologize I wasn't talking to the camera too much in this video, but nonetheless, it was a lot of fun. Enjoy today's video.
Dude, I almost had a smallie jump in the kayak with me one day doing this. Going through a set of fucking rapids.
Cody was saying he has had that happen before. What the frick? What the?
I saw that.
It's a largemouth. Yeah, largemouth just busted out my spinnerbait right at the boat. Throw that little swim bait when you go over here. How is there no freaking fish right here? Yo, there's deer down here on the bank. Some big does. Oh, the first one's a buck. See him down there?
Oh yeah.
First one looked like a small 8. Oh, look at this eddy right here. Go to the right side. Just give me a cast.
Might be instead.
Right to my thigh. I'm gonna have a nice spinnerbait shaped bruise.
Yeah, that's cool.
Back in there looks good.
I was gonna say.
Where was the fight in that? Oh my lord. What'd you say?
You wanted to make sure he got that one in the boat because now we're tied.
Oh. How long's the total float?
6 miles. softly. A little bit, but... Yeah, back grab.
Yeah. Throw it to me now. Oh, thank you. Where are you going? Usually you steer away from the tree.
Oh, no, no, no!
Oh,
Got it. Got her. I broke it. No, I didn't.
it's funny now that you're okay.
Now that the pole's not broke.
Water's cold. Is it? Yeah. Walleye? Molly? I was looking, I'm like, man, that line's running sideways.
One walleye on the board.
What?
I missed that one.
Not like that. 7 inches.
7 inches.
That don't count.
Counts as a catch? In the boat?
Yeah, I caught one before. Well, there you go. Gotta start somewhere.
Well, I caught one last winter ice.
Oh! Oh! Come on! Did you hear that? No. Like a 12-inch smallmouth. Oh!
Finally?
On the buzzbait. That's fun. Freaking 3-pounder.
Shut up.
Freaking smoked it. Oh, that was sick. That was awesome.
That just sounded dirty.
It was filthy.
I heard that from back here.
That was sick.
That was pretty filthy.
I heard it. I was like, boom. Blew up on it.
You guys see that?
Don't lose it. Flip it. Cowabunga.
Teamwork. Right as my wife said, you're gonna catch something bigger than the size of your hand.
God damn cranking them, mate.
Does it count as two now?
No.
You better watch yourself. You'll get a treble hook stuck in your leg. I was trying to force people into shots and nobody'd have it.
Oh. Did you see that? Hell yeah. Huh? Let it go.
Like, well, never happened.
Psych.
Oh, he's dead.
He did. What's the length on him since it's my first ever actual walleye?
Yeah, it's walleye.
Walleye.
21 and a half.
21 and a half.
Nice one.
Can I get a push? Aw, man. Thanks, Dad. Might have just had a walleye tap the swim jig.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 come on! It was a walleye right at the boat.
Really?
Yeah. It wasn't a keeper, but it was a walleye.
That's still cool, though. Walleye on a swim jig?
Chased it all the way to the boat. Whoever's got a little swim bait is probably gonna catch him over here. That sucker was mad. Oh my God! Come on, eat it! Yo, dude! That was sick! Yes, it was eating up on the bank. It wasn't even my bait. That is sick. I mean, it's not big, but like, that was sick.
That's awesome.
Thank you, buddy.
How far up do we have to panel like that?
What, you think, mile and a half?
Not even.
Is there
Did you have one?
On the way up?
Huh?
Is there any fishing on the way up?
Oh, yeah, we'll fish it up, but...
Oh, I got one laying down.
Laying down.
Quick release. Get back in there, boys.
He's on that sleeping pattern.
Like we'll eat it. He's not paying attention. Oh, I got another one.
That's fucking great.
Found the nursery, boys.
Giant. Them goddamn Johnson brothers. Look up the river.
What?
They're busting. Right up past that stick.
This kayak.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more river float stuff, let me know. Comment down below because we're definitely trying to add that in for next year in regards to, we might be adding another kayak to the arsenal to try and do some more small water creek fishing, if you will. So if you want to see that, please comment down below. Let me know because we're really thinking about adding it in. And if you guys want to see it, then we can definitely add some more variables to that. But nonetheless, appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the little topwater blowups. Not big bass, but they're fun. And always cool adventuring through some backwoods stuff that no one fishes. If you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.